Have a great day, my boys. How are you all? Hope all will fine. You're doing very awesome trading. Welcome to another video. Look, guys, this is Crash 300. We open a trade with standard lot and waiting for a spike. I also posted this signal in our Telegram group. The link in description. You guys can join and apply free trades. As you guys can see, the market is moving upward. This is the second candle. You're holding trade with 5 standard lots on Crash 300, the sell trade for a spike, waiting for a spike. As you guys can see, this system you can use for Crash 300, Crash 1000 and all other boom and crash index. Look, guys, here is the dual multiple spikes and the big one appeared. We made a good profit from this signal. Check the description, chat with our team. The guys will help you about this system if you want to get the copy. If you guys want to have free signal, then join our Telegram group where we post daily basis a lot of free signal using this system with sniper accuracy with big lots. Look here, guys, this is our Telegram group. We posted this signal, Crash 300 multiple lot trades, okay, and after, as you guys can see, and here is the results. Look here, a big spike and all people made profit with us. Here is the link of our contact details and also link of our Telegram group. Thanks for watching. Let me close the trade and book the profit. Thank you.